Are you looking for prime-time commercial property, a professional office? This is the perfect spot for you. We're in Berlin Borough. We're at 200 South Route 73. And guess what? You're gonna have trouble finding this on a Google map because it takes you all over the place. It's right next to the Enterprise car rental, and it's on the corner of East Taunton and Route 73, right at the light. Prime time, high traffic zone, high visibility zone. I don't know how many cars are going by a day, but I got to imagine it's 35,000, 40,000 cars or so. It's got 6 or 7 offices, depending on how you set it up. It also has a combination where you could have one big office on one side, a smaller office on the other side, because it has its own private entry. It's got some great stuff. We're going to walk and talk as we go through it, and we're going to share some of that now. So what's great about this property is that you come in off of Route 73 down Taunton Avenue, quick left right into the parking lot, plenty of parking here. Looks like you could easily fit, I don't know, 12, 14 cars. And then upon your exit, big apron right out to Route 73 South. It's awesome. Let's check out the inside. The roof is not that old. Approximately 7 years ago, 8 years ago, it was installed. The theme is very monochromatic, so the offices are gonna kind of look the same. Just understand that there's a really big volume of offices. You got front door, back door. This would be the main part of the office building. You have 4 offices on this side. You have a little communication center right here, all kinds of storage. Check it out, you got this kitchenette. You could use it as an office combo, but really nice area. Prep some food, refrigerator. Got office 1, office 2, which is very large, and then office 3. And then guess what? You got this really nice bathroom, completely cleaned up, really in nice shape. Just need to kind of turnkey and go. Fireplace area here, nice lobby section. And down in this section, you have 3 offices, and this could be separated if you wanted to. Have a separate business here, separate rental perhaps. And it's got 3 offices, and it's got its own half bath, and it's got its own entry. So you have a separate way in, and this could work out for maybe a sub-leasing type of situation. Let your mind go wild on how you could manage that. But you have approximately, I'm not sure if it's 1,800 square feet, 1,900 square feet. It actually feels bigger than that. And guess what? It's got a full basement too. So let's check that out real quick. You can see some of the utilities, public water, and it's got a private septic system. So you got storage galore down here. All your files can be stored down here, whatever other extra business items. You got plenty of room here. The basement, it's not the whole perimeter of the property, but it's a good 2/3 of it. Got your oil burner here, and you got your HVAC unit on top of that. So up until only a few months ago, this is a fully functioning professional office, and it's just awaiting its brand new owner to carry on the tradition of entrepreneurship. Right here on Route 73, Berlin Borough. You got 6 or 7 offices, tremendous square footage. Build your business, build it right here in South Jersey. And if this is the right property for you, make sure that you check it out on the website and make your appointment. You click the Contact Us button there. And if this isn't your cup of tea as far as commercial properties is concerned, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because not only do we get a lot of residential properties, we get a lot of commercial properties as well, as represented here. And you could subscribe and be one of the first to know when one of these comes out, and it gives you an advantage in the marketplace. I appreciate you tuning in. Thank you so much for watching.